Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Calibrating a Tesla Model Y battery means aligning the battery management system to the actual cell states so range, reporting, and charging behavior are accurate. Start by checking battery temperature. Do not try a calibration when the pack is hot or below 10% state of charge. Calibration reduces range estimation drift and can improve regenerative braking behavior. You will perform a full charge to 100% and then a controlled deep discharge to roughly 10% while driving under normal conditions, not in extreme weather. Begin by charging your Model Y to 100% and leave it plugged in for at least 2 hours with the cabin off so the battery cools and the BMS can record a full charge event. Then unplug and drive normally. Avoid aggressive acceleration, heavy towing, or repeated supercharging while discharging. Continue driving until the instrument shows approximately 10% state of charge. Then immediately return to charging and charge uninterrupted to 100% again. This full cycle helps the BMS measure full and empty cell voltages for recalibration. After completing the full discharge and recharge, monitor the Energy app and trip history for 24 to 48 hours to verify that range estimates and consumption figures stabilize. If the state of charge reporting still drifts, repeat one more full calibration cycle, but do not make repeated deep cycles part of regular use. Frequent 100% charges accelerate wear. Maintain calibration by charging to daily limits like 80 or 90% for routine use, and only perform a full 100% calibration occasionally. Document the results and note any persistent anomalies for service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.